1720 Land Rover Discovery 5 High with 11.4-inch installation tutorial. First, take out the right baffle. Remove the screw inside. Remove the trim strip. Take it out on the left in the order on the right. Remove the screws under the trim board. Side decorative panel. Take this line out. Pull it out. Take out this thread. Remove the air conditioner control panel. Pull out the wire on the back. Pry out the right baffle. Unscrew. Take out the air conditioner trend decorative panel. Pry out the trim panel. Unscrew the screw below. Take out the trend. Unscrew. Remove the Copilot trim. Unscrew. Remove the ignition button trim. Unscrew. Remove the screen. Unplug the power cord. Remove the brackets on both sides of the screen. Put the removed bracket back in place. Lock back screw. Same thing on the right. Now start removing the main driver's seat. Unscrew the seat fixing screw. Pry out the baffles. Pry out the buckle. Pry out the bezel under the seat. Take out the adapter cable. Remove the power cord. Plug in the patch cord. Start walking the adapter cable. Pry out the cigarette lighter. You need to cut a hole here and root it. That's the opening. Put the audio cable on. Plug in the audio box. Just leave the line long enough. Plug in the USB port and install it. Put it back on the passenger trim. Screw back the screws. Back to the air conditioner trend. Screw back the screws. Reinstall the decorative panel. The buckle on the decorative board should be removed. Put it on the hole. Install the decorative panel again. The one here is also installed with a buckle first. Install the decorative panel again. Install 4G antennas and GPS antennas. Take the power cord. Start patching cords. The thread is wrapped in tape. Fix it with tape. Small speaker installation air conditioner button board. Install the locking screws. Installation screen. Locking screw. Install decorative strips.